Guys eating lunch at our favorite place today. Don't we all like eating lunch at our favorite place once in a while? What do you think? This is a view from the rock. That's my driveway down there. And then this is my beginning of my driveway. Right there. Then there's a house, I don't know, 50 feet on the other side of that shed. And they have a dog down there that she can hear barking once in a while. There's a dog at the house down there, but that's 150 feet away. But when the leaves are gone, she'll be able to see this dog down here, so that'll be a test for her. She's been drinking my wildlife water too. I put this out here and change it every day for the baby birds that are going to be hatching, and any birds or the squirrels or chipmunks. Anybody needs a drink, that's full of water. Change it every day. I got a showl because, and I probably should still have a rock in it because of the baby birds, especially the wrens. The robins were bigger, but with these wrens, baby wrens, they got to be really small even when they fledge the nest. I'll find a rock to put in there too. Right here. This will be a good one. I'll have to clean it off first though. You done? Oh! Oh! Let's see. Oh, good girl. Good girl. I'll go ahead and get a drink so you don't have to drink the wildlife water. Come on, we'll go get a drink. I gotta rinse this rock off with the bird bath. I gotta make me a coffee. I still haven't had a coffee yet. It's like 12:30 again, almost 1:45. No coffee. Yeah, come on in and get a drink, then you can go back out. I just took a shower and left her out. I thought she was going to clean that tomato up, but I don't know, she don't like the green ones anymore. She picked that off the ground before I went in the shower and sat up here with it, so I figured I had time to take a shower and she wouldn't go anywhere. I come out of the shower and look out the living room window. She was right down there sniffing at my cucumber leaves, which I don't think she'll eat. But it looked like she was about to. Go ahead, get a drink. No, you gotta get a drink, honey. Come on. Get a drink. Oh, you saved that for dessert? Come on, let's get a drink. Come on. Kai, come on. Let's get a drink. Get a drink. Don't you need a drink? Look, right there. Go get a drink. Oh, no, you don't want... No, she wants the rock. Yeah, get a drink. Good girl, you're just about to. Say bye. Say bye. Hey, say bye. Oh, hear the wren? Here comes the mother or the father to feed the baby. Hear it? Actually, that could be the babies inside hollering for food. They're pretty loud now. They're getting older. I saw one of them yesterday when the adult came back with food for them. One of them stuck their head right out of the hole. Yeah, I think that is coming from inside the box. The house. Yeah, it is. All that racket's inside. Bye-bye.